Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix E20 error on Electrolux TimeCare 500. So what this error means is that your washing machine isn't properly draining the water. Now, if you want to fix it yourself, you can check if the siphon is properly connected to the drainage. And then if your siphon is actually properly connected, you can check the drainage cable connected to your washing machine and see if it's broken. Now, if none of those two options doesn't help, I recommend to call the technician and he will probably fix that problem for you. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.